how to create a prototype in Figma. Usually we create prototypes to see how our product is going to interact when it's coded and it's in its final stage. But while we're at the drafting stage still, we want to just create a prototype to see how it will look and how the animations are going to look, to get a better picture of the final product, and so that the client or you can decide whether this will stay like this before it gets becomes code and so on. So the way we do this is we first select the first frame, and if I want this to transition into this, I have to go into prototype here on the right, and now I can just look for this little plus sign here on the side. Now I just connect it to the next one because I want this to transition into this, and it's gonna be on click, and I want it to smart animate in this transition. Let's go with ease in and out, and let's go with 600 milliseconds. Should be fine. Okay, so once we do that, we can go to this play button here, which is on the top right, and once we click this, it's gonna create our prototype. Just wait for it to load. In the meantime, I forgot to mention, you want to create a frame. That's always gonna be the case, because you can't create a prototype without a frame, so you always want to put them on a frame. So if we come here now, if I click this, as you can see, it's transitioned into the next frame. So that's how you can create a basic prototype in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.